Hi, I'm Naomi from the Sunbeam team, and today we will take a look at our new addition to the Sunbeam espresso range. This is the Compact Barista, a new espresso machine to bring effortless cafe-style coffee to even the most compact home. Around the world, urban densities are increasing rapidly and kitchens are becoming smaller and more compact. Customers often want to upgrade so they can make their own cafe-style coffee at home, but don't always have the benchtop space for a big, bulky machine. At just under 14 centimeters wide, this is one of the slimmest espresso machines in the market. The compact size means this espresso machine can live on any kitchen benchtop neatly, taking up minimal space. This new slimline coffee machine creates delicious cafe-style coffee with velvety microfoam milk. Compactly engineered to deliver precision and power, Sunbeam have built their expertise into this machine, so you can focus on the fun stuff, effortlessly making and drinking coffee at home. The sweet aroma and taste of the perfect coffee is a combination of the optimal temperature and pressure during the extraction process. The thermoblock heating system keeps the water at the correct temperature so that the full coffee flavor is extracted. Your customer will benefit from the faster heat up, so no more waiting around for their coffee. Not only does the 15-bar pump and dual wall filter baskets ensure the correct pressure for espresso extraction, but the Compact Barista has pre-infusion and volumetric control. When your customer is ready to make their coffee, these two features will benefit them by taking out all the guesswork. Pre-infusion means the coffee machine will gently pre-soak the coffee, just for a few seconds, which is key to delivering a more balanced flavor. Volumetric control means the single shot and double shot buttons have been preset to dispense just the right amount of coffee. Making coffee in the mornings at home is now what it should be, effortless. This machine may be compact, but it has power. The powerful Steam One creates silky milk for those who want to try their shot at effortless latte art. Cafe-style Steam One delivers a powerful and constant dry steam for milk texturing, perfect for creating microfoam texture with a velvety mouthfeel. With the Sunbeam Compact Barista, your customer can bring the cafe experience home. Enjoy a latte, cappuccino, or long black in any size kitchen with the Compact Barista by Sunbeam.